Hi everyone, I am Doni Kom here, and now I want to explain you how to make the first sale in Shopify dropshipping. Uh, in order to make your first sale in Shopify store, you have at first to go to www.shopify.com and you create a new account, uh, and after that you have to build your Shopify store. If you don't know how to build the store, you can get from help from someone, or you can pay someone to build the store for you. But after you open the account in Shopify store, you have to build the store, design the logo, and find products and everything else. After that, you can Shopify offers you 14 days free trial, and you can use it for free. But after 14 days, you have to pay the Shopify plan. That the best, or at first you can pay the basic plan. That is 29 dollars, and after that you have to pay where you have to buy one domain for your store, because it is more good to look your store more to have more professional looking, and to build trust to audience. So after you get to this point, you have to create social media accounts, like Facebook page for your business, and Instagram account. When you create, you can start posting your products and new posts to get traffic. So the best way to come to the first sale in your Shopify store is by getting traffic. Traffic you can get from different sources, like social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, etc. From Facebook, the best way is to use Facebook paid ads, and also Instagram ads, and so on. Also, you can use YouTube for promoting your brand or your business, and you can also use Google ads for getting traffic. When you get traffic day by day, it will come to one point that you can have that for that first sale, and that's it. So right now I am showing you my store, my first sale that I made on my first store. So here you can see the numbers. Here are the traffic, or the viewers, and so on. What I forgot to mention is that in order to receive money, you have to configure or to to create a PayPal account for your business, and then you have to set up in your Shopify store. Then you are able to receive money in that PayPal account. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like or comment, and see you soon in the next videos that I will be uploading to this channel.